Looking for greater control over your finances? With Nookal's Invoice Locking tool, you can prevent staff from making changes to invoices and the diary after a preset period of time. Let's take a look. Once the tool is enabled, you can choose how long invoices remain editable for. After the selected time frame has passed, your team will no longer be able to make changes to the invoice, including voiding, adding or removing items, changing the invoice date, and more. This gives your finance and leadership teams greater confidence in the accuracy of historical financial data, making reporting and reconciliation simpler and more reliable. Because we know where there are rules, there also needs to be exceptions, we've added further customization to this locking feature, allowing you to choose which edits are still permitted after the lock period has commenced, including case and code changes, appointment and class creation, adding additional items, voiding of invoices, and payer and provider changes. Simply toggle the exceptions that you would like to set, and these will override the standard lock period rules. Finally, it may be appropriate for certain staff to have full edit access to invoices at any given time. So you can also add specific permission groups to the override accounts list, which will prevent the rules and restrictions above being enforced to those staff members within that permission group. So whether you want to completely lock down historical records or allow specific changes to suit your workflows, Nookal's Invoice Locking gives you the control to protect your financial data while maintaining the flexibility your clinic needs.